Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Sound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing one of my Sugar Muses box, my Midnight Muse box. Pardon me. Woo! My Midnight Muse box for the month of November. Manifesting through gratitude. Ooh, love that. So I'm going to put this aside. I'll come back to that. Midnight Muses. Some information. Mugwort. Very nice. Okay, this box is a little smaller, so it's easier to get in the frame. My goodness, something has tickled my nose in this box. Oh, the Magician. Cool. Love little envelopes. Love the tissue paper. So pretty. This is her card. Let's see what we got. Mugwort, Visions, Divination, Protection. Cinnamon, apricot, organic rich herbal tisane. So there's always a tea in this box and a tea bag. Ooh, this is very cute. This little rose candle, a golden rose candle, very nice. Very, very nice. Let's bend this back a little so we can get some of these dealy bobs out of the way. Oh, pretty bag, love it. Beautiful. Nice, love it. Gratitude ritual candle. Very nice. Okay, oh, there we go. Beautiful. Smells nice. Very pretty. We've got a ritual oil here. Sweet. We've got incense. Very nice. Smells like baby powder. Okay. See what we got here? Yarrow. Incense blend. Casting salts. Got some contents in them. And I think that this is the last item. It's a gratitude journal. It's very pretty. Got a little quote on the back. Spine. This nice little slim volume. Full of lined pages. Oh, and a little pocket here. Very cute. Nice. Let's read about this box. The month of November brings thoughts of family traditions, more time spent at home, and of Thanksgiving. Although this year's celebrations might be different from the ones we are accustomed to, it is important not to lose sight of the big picture, to keep hope in our hearts, and to be grateful for what we do have. Having a roof over our head, a healthy body, good friends, and food to eat are blessings to always be thankful for. This does not mean we are settling. We are simply utilizing ancient universal laws to multiply our bounty. When we focus on what we are lacking, that is what we attract more of. When we focus on all that we have, we align ourselves with receiving more. Exactly. Yes, an abundance mindset. So, Let's look at the... So gratitude incense sticks. It's for purification, healing, and protection. Casting salts. Salt offers protective properties and can clear the energy around your altar. Place salts in a dish to absorb negative energy or sprinkle around your sacred space. They can be used in a ritual bath to absorb unwanted energy and also be used for banishing. Use a matchstick or a toothpick if needed to loosen the salt and herbs and remove from bottles. Do not consume. Manifestation ritual oil. Shake gently before using. Anoint your pulse points. It's an anointing oil. Has lemon, peppermint, juniper, and cedarwood essential oils in an almond oil base. The gratitude candle. Organic soy candle. Hand poured with intention and spell crafted with lemon, rose, vetiver, and sandalwood essential oils with rose petals, calendula, mugwort, rosemary, and chrysanthemums. There's a citrine. The crystal is most commonly utilized in manifestation and is associated with joy and success. Citrine works towards your goals of manifesting success through the energy of the sacral and solar plexus chakras, boosting personal power and the ability to move forward towards achieving your desires, bringing the spiritual plane into the physical plane. Other metaphysical properties of citrine include clarity, focus, and aiding with creativity and inspiration. So we have yarrow. Yarrow magical properties include protection, love, healing, and courage. Do not consume. A gold rose candle. Where'd that sweet little candle go? It's so cute. Oh my lord. Oh, there it is. Very cute. Oh, it floats in water. Very cool. Manifesting incense blend. Can be burned, sprinkled in a bowl, and left as an offering on your altar, or added to spell bags or charms. It's mint, five-finger grass, rosemary, bay, and sage from her garden. Cinnamon apricot tea with a muslin tea bag. Mugwort, which is this month's featured herb. So, scrying, prophecy, safe travel, lunar magic, prophetic dreams, astral projection, love, protection, consecration of tools, and purification. It encourages wisdom and observation. There's the gratitude journal. You may wish to write in your journal. So there's a ritual where you do a gratitude and you write in your journal. But also you may continue to do that every night. And gratitude is a really nice daily practice to have. The gratitude print. And then there's the mugwort print. And the tarot card, which is from the Tarot for Black and Gold. So very cool. This is by Christy. She just sent out an announcement saying there's not going to be a December box due to family stuff that's going on. And, you know, that's, of course, we all understand that. It's been, 2020 has been something else. But I do love this box. It's very reasonably priced. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.